Hi, I'm Hannah's from Somnishot, and today in my bite-sized series, I give you 5 tips to relieve snoring. Tip number 1. Don't breathe through your mouth. It not only causes snoring, but it's also generally pretty unhealthy. You breathe in less oxygen, but more pathogens and dust particles get in. You also wake up the next morning with a dry mouth and bad breath. Besides that, and this is what this is all about, breathing through the mouth causes snoring because the tissues in the throat behave essentially a bit like a sail flapping in the wind. Okay, let's turn down the sound of the hairdryer. Thank you. So, what can you do about breathing through your mouth? Either you do something to improve your nasal breathing and look at tip number 2 coming up, or you buy a mouth guard. It looks a bit like a boxer's mouth guard, but it actually prevents you from breathing through your mouth while you sleep.